Dave here with InvestED, and probably wondering what we could learn about global investing standing at a strip mall complex in Woodbridge, Ontario. But I'm going to tell you, there's two things I really love. One is investing, and the other is eating. When I was in Istanbul a few years ago, I found this incredible dessert walking through the Grand Bazaar. I didn't even know what it was really called. I just knew it's shaped like a churro, kind of rounded out, soaked in some kind of a syrup. It ends up being this thing. It's called a halka, and it's a Turkish dessert. And I found it here. And so again, how does that relate to global investing? Well, the world of investing is a grand bazaar. There's opportunities to invest all over the world, and it's easier than it's ever been before. If we look at a typical Canadian, well, their job might be with a Canadian company. Their house, if they own a house or a property, it's Canadian, right? A lot of what we own is in Canadian dollars. We're more comfortable investing in Canada. Now, some of us have ventured out as far as the United States maybe, because that's the biggest market in the world. But we've all seen in recent days that maybe the US isn't the only answer. What we do when we're eating, right, particularly when we're in, one of the great things about Canada is there's restaurants from all around the world. I can get the best of any food from any country somewhere in Canada, sometimes just in around the Toronto area where I live. As investors, we should think about doing the same thing. Where can we find the best of the best anywhere in the world? And it may not be just in Canada, and it may not be just in the United States. You may find something fantastic for your portfolio somewhere you didn't expect at a time when you wouldn't expect to find it. And that, again, is something that's going to enhance your portfolio returns and help you diversify your risk and generate better results over the long term. And that's delicious. Dave with InvestED. Talk to you soon.